Zombie apocalypse.
अरे बाप रे, it's a hell lot of machine, man. It's give you the feel. It's oh people. Oh, it's a big bike, man. It's a big bike. The engine feels different. It's not, there is no thump obviously like Royal Enfields, and I'm sitting way upright, and I don't know if I should shift down, but the bike feels very different. So this is Renegade Commando is what they call it. I'm still on the first gear, and I'll be taking this turn, and it's not gonna be a very long one. The bike is heavy, people. The bike feels heavy. Oh god, I'm still to get used to this setting. Pickup is good, people. The pickup is good. I don't know what about the stopping power. The rear brakes are not even working, I guess. Oh. Ooh. Oh. It's not. I'm just like looking for my usual controls over there. The bike is huge. The bike is huge in front of CBR and got good power pulling up. I'm just not very much sure about the braking power, so I'm not pushing this thing. But yeah, it's a good bike, yeah. It's a good bike. Oh no, man, no. Yeah, this looks neat. The switch are like okay quality. I mean, it's so plasticky. Damn, man. I mean, they should have done better. With 1.92 on road for this bike, you will certainly expect better things. But they have done in terms of styling. It stands out. And in bikes got good power and a girly horn. What the fudge is this? And I'm constantly in the first gear itself. Only once I shifted to the second gear, that too on the highway. When I'm not allowed to take a long-ish ride on this. I'm not sure. It's a very nice bike, very nice put together, but they have spent all their money on making the engine, I guess, and the body. And in turns, the switch and everything it's very low quality, very low quality. You don't expect a 2 lakh rupees bike to have a feel like that. But few impressions about it. The power is very good. So yeah, UM's a pretty new company in India, and the owner told me like the 80% parts are from India, manufactured in India. Some of the other parts are imports. So they have a lot of other variants out there, but for us we only have 2 models right now, and both of them are almost similar except the looks. So I like the Commando one better than that Sports S, I guess, which has that intruder kind of fairing. By the way, the Commando also looks like Harley Davidson Fat Boy kind of replica, maybe less expensive one. So here you have it, people. These are my thoughts about the new The bike's got good amount of power. The comfort is also good. It's about getting used to the cruiser position, but fit and finish, they really need to improve. And it would have been good to have a rear disc brake also instead of a drum brake, because that bike pulls like anything, and I don't know if it has got enough power to stop it. And it's a heavy bike, 172 kgs with 90% fuel. It's a heavy bike, so maybe they'll improve it. The owner again told me the bikes were pre-production ones, so there might be some issues and won't be as refined as it should be or as the actual bike will be. But overall the bike is good. If you want to try something new, go get a test drive of Yeah, so kind of price you get a good bike, I guess. Go, you people also try and take test drive and comment your thoughts below. This is Roadrunner signing off. Bye, take care and ride safe. Look what the fuck I have done today. Shit, man.